Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OPPO Find N2 Flip. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and first one is located right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Next one is at the bottom right here, and that's a main speaker. There's also something right here which might be speaker, but we're gonna check it. And now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources or any of the two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So the sound was coming from this speaker and this one, and that confirms it. This device does have the stereo speaker, and this right here I think is a microphone, so that's not a speaker at all. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.